Understanding the underlying reasons for our cravings can help us make healthier choices and build greater self-awareness. Are you ready to delve into the truth behind your cravings and uncover the reasons driving them? Explore the deep-seated connections between emotions, habits, and the body's needs to gain a deeper understanding of your cravings. Cravings are often signals from your body, revealing deeper insights into your overall health and well-being. Comprehending the messages behind your cravings can lead to a better understanding of your body's needs and how to nourish it effectively. Comprehending your cravings allows you to take control of your health and make informed choices effortlessly. Let's unravel the mystery behind cravings and discover effective strategies to overcome them without feeling guilty. Cravings are powerful desires for specific foods or experiences, often driven by emotional and physiological factors. They can have a significant impact on our lives, influencing our food choices, mood, and overall well-being. Cravings can be a signal from your body that you are lacking certain nutrients. They may be trying to tell you that you need more of a particular vitamin or mineral. Understanding the psychological and emotional triggers behind cravings can help us gain insight into our behaviors and make healthier choices. Cravings often stem from unmet needs, as our bodies and minds seek to fulfill a void or imbalance. Understanding this connection can help us address the underlying causes of our cravings and find healthier ways to satisfy our needs. Understanding the connection between nutrient deficiencies and specific food cravings can help in addressing dietary imbalances and improving overall health. Emotional eating is the habit of consuming food in response to emotions, such as stress, sadness, or boredom, rather than physical hunger. Stress plays a significant role in driving cravings, as it can lead to a heightened desire for comfort foods or substances that provide temporary relief. Understanding the impact of stress on cravings can help individuals develop healthier coping mechanisms. Societal and cultural factors play a significant role in shaping our cravings, as they often dictate the food options available and acceptable within a community. Cultural traditions, such as holiday feasts or family recipes, can strongly influence the types of foods we desire. Additionally, societal trends and media can glamorize certain foods, creating cravings based on perceived status or popularity. Cravings are your body's way of communicating, but they're not always straightforward. They can be influenced by emotional, psychological, and physiological factors, making it important to understand the underlying reasons behind them. When you crave salty foods, it may indicate that your body needs essential minerals like sodium, potassium, or magnesium to maintain proper functioning. Sugar cravings may signal low energy or stress. When the body is low on energy or experiencing stress, it often craves quick sources of fuel and comfort, which can lead to an increase in sugar cravings. Craving carbs may indicate a longing for emotional comfort or a boost in serotonin levels. When we seek out starchy foods, it could be our body's way of trying to uplift our mood. Instead of judging yourself, learn to listen to these signals. Ask yourself, am I truly hungry, or is my craving emotional or habitual? Understanding our cravings can be achieved by practicing mindfulness and self-awareness. By learning to recognize the triggers and patterns behind our cravings, we can develop practical strategies to address them effectively. Fasting can help reset cravings by regulating hunger hormones and reducing the desire for unhealthy foods. Fasting is not only a way to cleanse your body, but also to reset your mind, providing a renewed sense of focus and clarity. It can help break unhealthy eating patterns and promote mindfulness and self-discipline. Short intermittent fasts, like a 14 to 16-hour fast, can help regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin. Fasting can also teach your body to rely on stored energy, reducing reliance on frequent snacks. Start small by trying overnight fasting and gradually extending breakfast by an hour. Observe how your body adapts and responds to the changes. Regular exercise can help manage cravings by reducing stress, improving mood, and increasing self-control. Physical activity also releases feel-good chemicals in the brain, which can help curb the urge to indulge in unhealthy cravings. Physical activity can reduce cravings by helping to regulate levels of dopamine and other neurotransmitters in the brain, leading to decreased desire for unhealthy foods and substances. Regular exercise plays a crucial role in balancing blood sugar levels and reducing sugar cravings. Physical activity helps the body utilize glucose effectively, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar. This can lead to reduced cravings for sugary foods and contribute to overall better blood sugar management. Engaging in physical activity releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which can help in reducing emotional eating triggers. Even a 10-minute brisk walk can be enough to manage those sudden urges. Taking just a brief walk outside can help curb cravings and improve overall well-being. Whether it's a break from work or a moment of stress, a quick stroll can bring about a sense of relief and clarity. Embracing this simple activity can have a profound impact on our mental and physical health, making it an effective tool in self-care and impulse control. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks, try snacking on some fresh fruit or nuts for a healthier option. If you have a sweet tooth, consider swapping candy for fresh fruits or dates. They provide natural sweetness while also offering essential nutrients and fiber for a healthier option. Salty snacks are a popular choice for satisfying cravings. For a healthier option, consider roasted chickpeas or lightly salted nuts. Carb cravings can be satisfied with more nutritious options such as whole grain crackers or sweet potatoes, which provide complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. To be ready for sudden cravings, ensure that you have these healthy swaps readily available in your pantry or fridge. Hydration is essential for maintaining the body's overall health and functioning. It plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature, cushioning joints, aiding digestion, and delivering nutrients to cells. Proper hydration also supports cognitive function, physical performance, and mood. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and even more serious health issues. By prioritizing hydration, individuals can optimize their well-being and performance in various aspects of their lives. Sometimes, thirst disguises itself as hunger. Before giving in to a craving, drink a glass of water and wait 10 minutes. Adding lemon or cucumber to your water can provide a refreshing boost, making it a more enjoyable and hydrating drink. The subtle citrus or crisp cucumber flavors can enhance the taste of plain water, encouraging you to drink more throughout the day. Herbal teas are effective in curbing cravings, particularly in the evening. The natural flavors and soothing properties of herbal teas can help satisfy the urge for unhealthy snacks and promote overall well-being. Emotional cravings can often lead to stress, as our desires for validation, love, or comfort can be overwhelming. To reduce stress, it's important to address these emotional cravings through self-care, mindfulness, and seeking support from loved ones. Emotional cravings often surface when we're stressed, bored, or tired. These cravings are our body's way of seeking comfort and pleasure in the face of negative emotions or fatigue. Whether it's reaching for a sugary snack, a comforting meal, or a favorite TV show, our emotions can drive us to seek immediate gratification through indulgence. Combat these triggers by practicing mindfulness and deep breathing exercises to stay calm and centered. Journaling is a therapeutic practice that helps individuals process their emotions by putting thoughts and feelings onto paper. It provides a safe space to express, understand, and reflect on complex emotions. Practicing deep breathing is an effective way to calm your nervous system. By taking slow, deep breaths, you can activate the body's relaxation response, reducing stress and anxiety. Deep breathing helps to lower cortisol levels and increase feelings of relaxation and well-being. EFT tapping, also known as emotional freedom technique tapping, is a holistic approach that can help reduce stress-related cravings. By gently tapping on specific energy points on the body while focusing on the stress or craving, individuals can alleviate the emotional and physical discomfort associated with cravings. This tapping technique can help to interrupt the craving cycle and provide relief from the urge to indulge in unhealthy habits. Acupressure point tapping with positive affirmation can help reduce cravings and promote self-acceptance. When faced with cravings, you can follow this step-by-step plan to overcome them by identifying triggers, finding alternatives, and practicing mindfulness. When you feel a craving, take a moment to pause and identify the source of the feeling. Ask yourself if you are truly hungry or if the craving is driven by boredom or stress. Make sure to hydrate by drinking water or herbal tea before moving on to the next step. Hydration is crucial for maintaining good physical and mental health, and starting with water or herbal tea sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. While battling a persistent craving, opt for a healthier alternative to satisfy the urge, such as swapping sugary snacks for fruits or replacing deep-fried foods with air-fried or baked options. After completing step 3, it's important to move your body by taking a quick walk or doing some gentle stretches. This helps to improve blood circulation and prevent stiffness, keeping your body active and energized. Engaging in mindfulness, journaling, or EFT tapping can help address emotional cravings by bringing awareness to the present moment, processing emotions, and tapping on acupressure points to release negative energy. With enough practice and repetition, this sequence of actions or steps becomes ingrained and automatic, requiring little to no conscious effort to perform. It's important to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Acknowledging and appreciating the steps you've taken can increase motivation and confidence. Every time you resist an unhealthy craving or make a healthier choice, celebrate it. Acknowledge and reward yourself for taking positive steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Your small victories add up to big progress. Recognize that small wins build momentum for long-term success. You're mastering the art of listening to your body and giving it what it truly needs. Tomorrow, we'll dive even deeper into the secrets of your body's needs. Day 8 is all about hydration hacks and why water is your ultimate wellness ally. Get ready to feel energized and revitalized.